Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make 玉ねぎとインゲンのかき揚げ。Kakiage is a type of tempura. When we use one ingredient, it's called tempura. So shrimp tempura or sweet potato tempura. But when we use more than two ingredients, it's called kakiage. And today, I'm making kakiage using two ingredients, onion and green beans. But ingredients for kakiage can be anything. So please play with it and find your favorite combination. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this kakiage. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Green beans and onion, as much as you like. Half a cup of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of potato starch or cornstarch. Let's cut the vegetables. So green beans. Cut the stem off. The other end too, only if it's dried. Then into thin diagonal slices. Into a large bowl. Onion. Cut the top off. Cut it into half. Peel the skin. Cut the bottom off. Then into thin slices. All into the bowl. Now, I'm making tempura batter. A lot of recipes says you need an egg, but I like to make it without using it. It's lighter and crispier that way. So here, I have half a cup of all-purpose flour. Let's add the same amount of water, cold water, and potato starch. Give it a mix, but try not to over-mix it. The texture is like a loose and lumpy pancake dough. If it's looser than this, add little more flour, and if it's thicker than this, add little more water. Now, I'm adding the tempura batter to the bowl of vegetables. And the tempura batter is just a glue to stick the vegetables together, so you don't want to add too much of it. Let's start with 2/3 of the batter. Mix well. Looks like I need a little more glue. So I'm adding half of the remaining butter. Looks good now. The vegetables are all coated with the butter, but there is no extra butter at the bottom of the bowl. Now, it's time to fry. So I'm heating up some vegetable oil over medium to medium-high heat. It's about 1 inch from the bottom. Let's check the temperature. Put damp chopstick into the oil. And if you see small bubbles coming up like this, that means the oil is ready. Put some vegetables on a big spoon like this and gently slide it into the oil. And just fry them, little over 1 minute on each side. Try not to touch them too much. Once it's nice and crispy on both sides, take them out and drain. Just keep going and finish all of the vegetables. All fried, and it's done. Time for the tasting. I like to have it simply with salt. So sprinkle some salt. And いただきます。Did you hear that? It's so crispy. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Let's have the kakiage and also shrimp tempura for the main. To add little more protein to the meal, how about otofu to chingensai no soup here? There are enough vegetable in these dishes, so let's pass one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other side. Plain rice here and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.